pulisya, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At pagkatapos, natagpuan siyang patay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Allegedly, after he was released by the police, why can't you tell us? Why do I have to do it?
Because I have to refer first, Your Honor, because you're asking about the name of the police officer,
All right,
Your
just
Honor.
tell us what happened.
What happened is that Mr. Colata was then going to buy something from one particular corner when it was captured by the CCTV, Your Honor. And then eventually, because he violated the traffic rules, because he doesn't have any license and a helmet, he was being apprehended by the police officer and then brought to the station. While he was in the station, they discussed that they asked for apology for the violation. So the police officers, allegedly, let them go. Then after 5 hours, he was then found in one area at Tansa, Cavite, particularly in Barangay Lambingan, dead already with a placard that "Huwag gayahin, pusher ito."
Is a policeman involved in the killing?
Yes, Your Honor. This is the findings of
Obviously, because he's obviously, di ba? Do you have the name of the policeman?
Yes, Your Honor. We already filed a case against PO2 Ives Yolon, PO2 Emerson Dizon Ocampo, PO1 Edgar de Guzman, and 1 PO1 Hernan Romanes, Your Honor.
And all of them are accused of liquidating the guy. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you approve of that?
This
Obviously,
is for
because you
summary,
filed it
Your
before
Honor.
the Legal Affairs Division.
Yes, this is for summary, Your Honor. I cannot make prejudgment on the case, Your
Of
Honor.
course, summary hearing means that, mabilis yan, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, gumalaw kayo, 4 na pulis ang kinakasuhan nyo ngayon. So, do they have lawyers, the policemen? Unahin ko muna yung mga pulis. Do you have witnesses from the complainant? O wag na yung pulis, yung complainant na lang.
Insofar as the witnesses, Your Honor, there is no witness to this particular case. However, the fact that they were there
In the custody of these police officers.
yes, Your Honor, there seems to be a prima facie evidence, and in fact, there is findings of probable cause. That's the reason why we
Yung
forwarded
mga taong namatayan, hinahabol kayo doon, napupunta ba doon sa hearing?
No, Your Honor, we volunteered to go to their place and interview them.
So, in-interview nyo sila?
Yes, Your Honor, I asked my staff to go from the headquarters as well as from the region.
Saan ginagawa yung hearing ninyo?
The hearing of Colata is now being done before the regional office of Region 4A.
Si Colata yung namatay, yung hearing ng mga pulis ang pinag-uusapan
Yes, Your Honor,
natin.
but yes, Your Honor, the hearing is being run before the regional office of RIAS 4A, Your Honor.
Saan yan? Sa Cavite?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, naandun. And walang pumupunta sa mga kamag-anak?
We're not done yet, Your Honor, with
No, but nag-umpisa na kayo. Nakailang hearings na kayo.
No, Your Honor, please, the case was only been forwarded for summary hearing only about last week, Your Honor.
Last week, because it was brought here and General De La Rosa was here, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so he ordered you to conduct an investigation, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, but we also...
wala pa. Did you take any matter? I'm sure your police community relations officer went to the people, the relatives of the victim, correct?
As far as the investigation...
Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what ba aspar pa? Nagpunta, di ba? Police community relations, bakit? Oh, ito, hinuli namin to. Ayan, pumunta kayo, nililitis namin to.
Your Honor, currently we have shortage of human resources, Your Honor. We have to...
I'm not asking you whether you have shortage. I don't care if you have only one policeman. I just want our course here is to find out if you have shortage, and we have been told that you have only 700 people in the IAS.
Yes, Your Honor.
You know your sub-story, okay? And
Thank
we
you,
should
Your Honor.
start doing something about it. Now, I want to know, kasi ang importante sa amin dito, na ang tao na namatayan, may habol sila. Nalalaman nila ang gobyerno, hindi pulisiyang pumatay. Na dapat, may karapatan silang malaman kung anong stage of the action, anong ginagawa ng mga tao, para may feeling na hindi makakalusot yung mga pumapatay ng tao indiscriminately, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have to raise my voice with you. Please, I don't want to do that, but you have to give me more information.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nakakapagtaka sa akin, kailan kayo nagsimula ng mag-summary hearing?
Actually, Your Honor...
Hindi pa.
No, Your Honor,
Oh,
because
sagot
we have,
doon, hindi pa.
we
alam
have,
mo, alam ko nakikita ko sa mukha mo na hindi ka pa handa. Wala pa. Correct?
Your Honor, please, with due respect, Your Honor, we have to comply with MC 2016-002, wherein the respondent is given the chance to make,
Did I not ask
given
you
the
whether the
chance.
police have counsel? And you have not answered that.
Your Honor, this matter involves the region, Your Honor. I can confirm to the region, Your Honor, whether they are being represented by the police because I am now assigned with the DIAS. However, we will provide you with information. May we know from, Your Honor, from the PNP.
Because ano malabas sa akin, cosmetology ito eh. You know what cosmetology is?
Yes, Your Honor.
The study of beautification of an ugly person, right? Hindi exact yung definition ko. Papagandahin mo, pamalagyan mo ng makeup, correct? Nabisto rito yan, nagalit si General De La Rosa, iduli nyo, may kaso kayo, pero hanggang ngayon, hindi ba dapat, isang linggo na yan eh, dapat meron na kayong rason na yan for killing, di ba? Now, ang tinatanong ko, lumipat tayo pasamantala. I commend General De La Rosa. He ordered an investigation. We will follow up this case because hindi pa nyo talaga nasisimulan yung kaso ngayon. Correct?
Your Honor, with due respect, Your Honor, we have to comply with the provision of
I
the
know
MC.
you have to comply. That's why
Yes.
I ask you, a lawyer ba? Hindi mo alam. Alam mo ba?
As far as I'm concerned, Your Honor, we are conducting motu proprio investigation on this
Ay, naku,
case.
ano may motu proprio na yan?
The prosecution, Your Honor, of the IAS will be representing the complainant, Your Honor. We are the nominal complainant in this case, Your Honor.
I know. When
yes,
you file
Your
this case, it will be in the name of people of the Philippines before against these people, correct?
Yes, Your
Against these
Honor.
policemen. So,
So-
tinatanong ko lang, anong stage? Wala pa. Sa totoo lang, wala pa.
No, we have initially conducted our
No, I
investigation.
commend General De La Rosa. Gumalaw siya. Kinasuhan nyo yung 4. Pero saan pupunta yan? Oh, let's go to another topic. Give me a situation where out of the 28, ilan ang pulis doon na nakamatay, na allegedly nagbarilan? Na sinabi nyo, hindi tama yung pagkabaril. Pagkapaday.
All the 28, Your Honor, is with the allegation that
All the 28.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasasabi mo
Otherwise-
lang yung case ni Kulata, hinuli nyo lang yung pulis dahil sila ang huling humawak kay Kulata. Last touch sila.
Your Honor,
Hindi
please.
nagbarilan yun.
Your Honor, please, may be stand corrected, Your Honor. With respect to Colata, we are still conducting a pre-charge investigation. I'm so sorry, Your Honor, pre-charge investigation because we are bound by the MC, if you will allow me to continue, Your Honor. We are bound by the MC 2016-002, wherein the respondent is given the right to submit his counter affidavit within 5 days from receipt of the information that there is a case filed against him. So this is the reason why this case is now for pre-charge investigation and not part of the 28 for summary hearing, Your
But you were
Honor.
the one who raised Kulata out of the 28. It was not me, correct?
Yes,
So,
Your Honor. I stand
lumalabas,
corrected, Your Honor.
You stand corrected, don't
Yes, Your Honor. With respect to the Colata, is still for pre-charge investigation, Your Honor.
All right. I have already gone beyond that. Let us now go to the other 28 na sinasabi mo. So, 29 yung sinasabi mo. 28 ngayon. Yung sa 28, bigyan mo ako ng sitwasyon na yung pulis nakipagbarilan. Alam mo, yan ang issue ngayon sa buong mundo. Ang dami namamatay sa barilan. And ako, naiintindihan ko yan. Sinasabi ko nga sa mga tao, pag sinasabi ng Pangulo, sinasabi ng mga hepe, na pag may baril yung kalaban at bumunot, maunahan nyo na. And because of that, lahat ng mga uhuli nyo drug pusher, magkakarga na yan. Lalaban na yan ng baril. Ngayon, 28 ang nahuli nyo. O ano yung 28 na yan? Sino yung nakipagbarilan?
Your Honor, could I ask for our reference because all of these cases within the region, but we have a copy right now of these cases, Your Honor. I would just like to confirm with my staff, Your Honor, for a while, Your
Go
Honor.
ahead. You're allowed. That's where I'm going to head. I don't know about the others here. I just want to know, let everybody know. we are not going to leave any stone unturned here. When you say there's a shooting, you have to justify the shooting. And you have to do it quickly. Kung nagbarilan ng pulis, ikaw, matagal ka na ba sa IAS?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano na hawakan mong kaso sa IAS?
I have
Marami.
so many cases, Your Honor.
Alright, may nagbarilan. How long does it take you to say, hindi tama yung ginawa mo, suspendido ka, turn in your badge, turn in your gun? Kung ba yung nangyayari doon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung baril mo, suspendido ka, you're confined to quarters, or
Not in all cases, Your Honor.
anong kaso? Halimbawa, give me some case.
I am the one who investigated.
No, just tell me. Anong sinasabi
Atimonan
niya?
case, Your Honor.
Pag nakabaril yung pulis, anong ginagawa niya?
We conduct ballistic examination on the firearms. We requested.
No, I know that. Yung ballistics, aralin nyo.
Yes,
Sinasabi ko na, nakita nyo na, gaano katagal yon? Ang tinatanong ko, gaano katagal, pagkatapos magbarilan, yung malalaman na yung pulis hindi ginawa yung akdang nakalagay sa kautusan na dapat huwag ka mamamaril ang tao kung di ka babarilin.
We are
Anong
supposed.
procedure pag nanghuli ka? Di ba taas ang kamay? Kakapkapan nyo. Hindi lang taas ang kamay. May baril. Binaril nyo kagad. Tama o hindi?
No, Your Honor.
Mali. Give me a case do sa 28 na gano'n na nangyari. Nobody's gonna get a pass here in spite of what other senators are thinking.
Okay, Your Honor. One case at Pasay, Your Honor. One particular case in Pasay, wherein we are already done with the summary hearing. In fact, the result of the case has already been forwarded to the disciplinary authority right now, Your Honor, for his signature and approval.
Ito yung nakakulong sa Pasay.
Yes, Your Honor, the detainee.
Kwento mo ang facts. Dahil nakikinig ang buong Pilipinas dito. Sige, kwento mo. Ano nangyari sa Pasay?
Based on this particular case, Your Honor, the suspect, the one killed were actually detained at Pasay.
All right, before we go any further, I will go back to you. I want a list of the 28 cases that you say involve firearms. Nagkabarilan. Gusto ko ibigay nyo sa akin kung anong sitwasyon dyan. And I want you to submit the rules and regulations involved sa investigasyon ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. we'll
Sinasabi mo
submit the same.
MC22?
MC 2016-0002
MC-016. Can you?
of the NAPOLCOM.
Oh,
2016-002,
So
Your
kasama
Honor.
rin ang NAPOLCOM dyan. Hindi lang kayo.
No, Your Honor. This is with this.
Ina-adapt nyo lang yung rules ng NAPOLCOM.
Yes, Your Honor, because they are the regulatory body of the Philippine National Police, Your Honor. They're the one engaged into providing us the policy and the rules with respect
Okay.
to our.
Sige, proceed. So sa 28, sino pa? Ano nangyari doon sa Pasay? Kwento mo na yung sa Pasay.
Mr. Chairman,
Your Honor.
Yes.
may I just interject related to your line of questioning?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. Have you taken over the investigation of that incident last October 9 in Oriental Mindoro?
Yes, Your Honor.
So
We
what's
already
the
acquired
initial-
jurisdiction.
What's the initial findings?
The initial finding is that there is no need, Your Honor, to with respect to the Mindoro case, Your Honor, we proceeded with the pre-charge investigation because there's no need for us to conduct motu proprio investigation, simply because the police personnel
No,
here.
what's your initial findings?
Our initial finding is that they're involved, Your Honor, and that they should
that's
be
not
charged.
what I want. What's the motive? What was the motive in the shooting incident? Because it turned out that the masked men are actually police officers, di ba?
Yes, Your
Riding
Honor.
in tandem, but they
Yes,
turned
Your
out to
Honor.
be police officers. So I'm trying to find out the motive because that's significant. Kung ang motive is, kung ang motive was to shoot them as suspected drug personalities, I can more or less form a conclusion. But kung personal, iba rin yung conclusion. So I'd like to find out from you, ano ba yung motive na na-establish nyo in the shooting incident?
It is more personal motive, Your Honor, because
What's the motive kung personal?
we are yet.
How can you say
Excuse
it's
me.
personal when you don't?
Yes, Your Honor,
what's the motive?
because the person killed, Your Honor, in this case is a chairman of the Crime Watch. Crime Watch is not engaged into any illegal activity, so more or less it's a personal motive on his part because he has no reason to there is no reason for him to be killed because he's not engaged in any illegal activity. So